Barda updates, ang ginawang cover pa nga ng close-up sa Facebook, ang dalawang love team, and Barda at Don Bell, and Barbie Fortesa at Bel Mariano, 2 B, David Licauco, Donnie Pangilinan, 2 D, yan o, DD, Barda, Don Bell. Tsaka ito pa, and nirepost din ni Barbie ang post ng close-up, and magkakaroon ng fan meet and greet ang Barda, ang ganda pa ang smile ng Barda eh. Saka ito pa, post ni Barbie, kasama rin si Barbie sa tatakbo sa Lights Camera Run sa May 11 yan, Sunday. At si David naman ay nasa Sobra Cafe sa Molito, Alabang. Ayan, business minded yan si David. Saka ito pa, abangan din si David, magkakaroon ng meet and greet ang samahan ng mga makasalanan sa post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Yan sa SM City, Caloocan sa March 29, at Sabado na yan, 4 PM. Nagpabati ng Barda.
Thank you po.
Hey guys, what's up?
So may post si David
here on
about sa good trip,
if how many times
ng endorsement.
iniinom during the day.
Ayan, dahil nagpa-picture sa Barda dyan, pati bata. Gusto na magpa-picture
I work
sa
out.
Barda.
And then another drink would be in the afternoon. Para, alam mo yun, like, kasi syempre minsan pag afternoon, mawawala yung energy natin, diba? So ako, iniinom ko siya so that, I feel energized again. And I think enough na yun to keep me, energized sa busy day ko. Because usually ba may taping, and then may business pa. Pero at the end of the day,
Mabait si
meron
Barbie
akong
sa
energy
David eh.
for my personal time. I hang out with my friends, ganyan. And then may nagtanong pa sa akin kung ano daw yung benefits nito. Well, for me, apart from it being, a coffee that gives me energy and wakes me up, I would say, syempre, ang pinaka-benefits talaga nito is yung collagen and glutathione and L-carnitine. Because as we know, collagen nagpapa-fresh, nagpapa-lift ng skin, di ba? So, at least ngayon, medyo natanda na ako, na-maintain pa rin yung, hopefully, freshness. And yung L-carnitine naman, it helps you with my diet, it helps you with my workout, so medyo nakaka-slim talaga siya. Diba? So,
Yan ang nagpa-picture yung bata.
I would say I feel more confident now with good drip. Kaya, for those who haven't tried, yes, you have to try this. On top of that, ang sarap pa nito. Kaya for those who haven't tried, visit our TikTok shop and buy now.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.